Yo, yo, yo. What's going on? What's going on? Gold pushing up slow. Pound yen still coming down. Alright, let's start with gold. Let's start with some gold today. Oh shoot, one sec. Alright, sorry about that. But gold, so gold on the daily is bearish. We didn't break yesterday's low. We haven't broken yesterday's high, but we did push down and come close. So if we're gonna stay bullish, or if we're gonna hold above yesterday's low, or hold above this daily support, that's at 3235, then need to see gold break this 4-hour high. We've already got the 4-hour support, so if it respects this 4-hour support, we just continue pushing up into, well, the 4-hour resistance. I'll go for the strongest one, 3256. Let's see if we get a push up, but as confirmation we need to break above the 4-hour high at 3243, which is only about 50-60 pips away. Now the structure on the lower time frames, you know, we're starting to be bullish, we're starting to push up. So we respected this support, and now we've got higher highs and higher lows. Now if we got a closure above this resistance, I'll be getting into some buys right now, but it's not what gold wants to do just yet. We could just get a straight push up, break the high and keep going. We do have a clean range to the left, excluding this wick. But I mean, if we get a wick fill, we break the highs, yeah, we're gonna go up. This daily candle is not actually that big compared to, you know, recent candles. But if we can flip bullish on the daily and then break yesterday's high, we've got a nice long candle to retrace. So it all starts with a closure above 32.38, which we won't get until, if it does happen, at least the next 30-minute candle. Alright, and obviously for sells, if gold wants to continue down, then a closure below support at 32.23 for sells down. Alright, let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen, very bearish on the daily, and this is why yesterday I was in two minds whether pound yen was bullish or not. Like, even though we had a push up, obviously we need to create some structure, but pound yen never just moves straight up. 4 hours are just bearish. Now in order for pound yen to push up, we need a 4-hour support, and then that support to be respected, to then continue up. If this 4-hour closes below this support here, I think we're going to get a further pullback. I'm looking for a gap fill. Let's clean it up a bit. Now this is the gap from Sunday. which closes at 193.4. It's not a massive stretch, it's about 130 pips, 140 pips. Gold has the potential. GJ has the potential. A lot of volume in pound yen right now. So look, we've been dropping since Asian session, pretty much as the market opened. We've already dropped 180 pips. So there's definitely some yen strength. Definitely some yen strength. So yeah, just looking for the 4 hours now, 4-hour candles to just confirm structure. Now, if we definitely close below the support, I think we get more of a pullback. If we hold at this support and the last higher low, then we have the potential to push back up. So we'll see what happens with GJ. We've come down into this area and now we've just been ranging. And we've got rejection wicks to the downside. So we might get a little push up before we continue down. Those are my levels that I had on. Right, so that level got broken. Yeah, I just couldn't catch the moves on pound yen this morning. Rosie, what's up? Afternoon. Yeah, just couldn't catch the moves. So I was looking at potential buyers up. If pound yen was just making a bottom wick, which yesterday's bottom wick was about here, 194. This was Tuesday's bottom wick for pound yen. Now, if it held, we stayed above yesterday's low, I was anticipating that GJ, pushed up. That was here. The price was up here at that point. So we created a support, we were pushing up. Now, if we closed above this resistance, that's why I've got buyers above closure. If we closed above this resistance here, I was anticipating GJ to keep pushing up, flip bullish on the daily, and then break yesterday's high, which isn't far away as well, and keep going. But instead, as soon as we got into this resistance, this was a drop. Straight 70 pip drop. Didn't quite close below. So I was looking for the closure above for buyers and then the closure below for sells. It closed right on the line at 9 o'clock. Well, 9:30, which is when I stop. I take a break. And then it just continued to drop. Yeah. So that was this morning. So that was definitely a missed opportunity. But either way, it wasn't the cleanest setup. Didn't get the closure. Even if I took a break at this low. Look, stop loss above the previous high. 75 pips away. It's just too big. Yeah, it's just too big. So now we just wait. Yeehaw, hello. Yeah, what a tumble for pound yen. I think it still has further to go. That's my targets here, 193 going down.